right, looking at this situation, we'll grab a couple of questions to kind of go through here. So the first one, a circumference of a circle. Keep in mind, circumference is always 2 pi r. Is increased by 20%. So if we multiply this side by 20%, or 1.2, it's increased by 20%. We're looking to figure out how much its area increased. All right, well, if we have our circumference increased by 20%, that means also our radius increase by 20%. So as we move on to area, keep in mind our area is always pi times r squared. Well, if our radius